In primetime news this evening, more stories about students using skin bleaching products.
Health Minister clears the air on Cornwall Regional Hospital renovation bill.
And the driver of fatal hit-and-run incident nabbed. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. A special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Island. Coming up in the business news, the Caribbean is bracing for whatever comes this hurricane season.
We'll hear more from several countries this evening as they share preparation efforts. And Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Thank you, Archie. Well, the West Indies have suffered another series whitewash by England. We'll give you the details on that and more in Primetime Sports later.
Thank you, Spencer. And Romain is here to give us a preview of what's coming up in the weather.
Thanks, Andrea. Now, a tropical wave is in the center of the Caribbean basin. We are expecting to be affected by this system. I'll tell you when and by how much in the weather report and forecast.
I think there was dust yesterday, and today there's just drama in the weather report and forecast all the time. Yeah, you can get to watch and find out the details later on. There's also E-Prime and sports commentary as well in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what more can be done to improve West Indies cricket? Oh boy.
These comments should be interesting. You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post as always on X, we used to call it Twitter, at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.